Hello, my wonderful people in the house. Check out this amazing food, tantalizing one, delicious one. That is spaghetti jollof. Can you see? Let's learn this together. If today is your first time, subscribe, follow, and share. That's what we want to cook today. I have my spaghetti here, tomato paste. That's my onions. You can use as many onions you want. I have my raw tomato. My pepper is here. That's my sweet corn. If you have green beans, you can use it. I have my carrots, my spring onions there. So those are the things we want to use for today. We are going to parboil the spaghetti. I'm going to pieces it. So I'm going to cover it to parboil. Let's check. Just 2 minutes. It's okay. So let's see the water. All those carrots, sweet corn. If you also have green beans, you can do it this way. You first of all do those one first. Small oil. Then you add this. This is my carrot, my spring onions first, carrot. I'm going to add sweet corn. So you turn it. I want to add only little pinch of salt. My salt, yes. I want to add little, just I want to cover it. Only 1 minute. Is 1 minute. That is it. Before we continue, the first one that we did, let me show you the way it looked like. You can see the pot is dry. Now first thing is groundnut oil. One is my onion. Let's leave it to fry. So my onions is ready. Everywhere is same thing with these onions alone. And my tomato paste. Then give it a good and soft here. My raw tomato. Add my pepper inside. I'm going to leave it for like 5 minutes. And people, let's check. Look at it. I want to add my garlic. Then I want to add my salt. Stir it together. Wow, can you see something? This is my spaghetti here. I'll continue mixing it. Alright. Now let's check. Our food is ready. Oh, see something. My people, you see something. Back to this. We are going to add it. And you stir it. You can see our spaghetti jollof is ready.